Have you ever wanted to clone any voice and generate realistic AI speech in seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to clone a voice in less than 30 seconds using Voice Delta. The process is simple, fast, and requires only a short audio sample. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare a voice sample. Before creating a voice clone, you need a sample of the voice you want to clone. Here are a few important requirements. The audio should be between 10 and 20 seconds long. The voice should be clear and free from background noise. Higher quality audio will produce better cloning results. The cleaner your audio sample is, the more realistic your cloned voice will sound. Step 2. Create or log in to your Voice Delta account. Now, go to voicedelta.com and create an account. I already have an account, so I'll simply log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Voice Delta dashboard. Step 3. Clone the voice. First, enter a name for your voice clone. You can choose any name you like. For this example, I'll use Trump. Next, select the appropriate gender. After that, click Upload Reference Audio and upload the voice sample you prepared earlier. Once the upload is complete, click Generate Clone Voice. Within a few seconds, your cloned voice will be ready to use. Step 4. Generate speech with your cloned voice. Now, let's use the cloned voice. Go to Studio Editor. Under Synthesizer Architecture, select Custom Personas. Inside Character Identity, you'll find all of your cloned voices. Select the voice you just created. Next, paste your script into the text box. When you're ready, click Generate Master. Voice Delta will generate high-quality speech using your cloned voice. Step 5. Listen to the result. The voice has now been generated successfully. Let's play it and see how it sounds.
Love is a complex blend of emotions, behaviors, and biological drives characterized by deep intimacy, passion, and commitment. It is more than just a passing feeling. It is a conscious act of will and a selfless commitment to the well-being and growth of another.
The cloned voice sounds natural and closely matches the original speaker. And that's how you can clone any voice in under 30 seconds using Voice Delta. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.